Welcome to SongShield. In this tutorial, we'll learn about safe song sharing and interactive notes. Let's go back to our song, Bigger Than You. We want to share it with the band. So let's go to our share section and create a new share link. Here we put in the name or the email address of the person we want to share with, Robin. We can share the primary version or the currently selected version, which happens to be the primary in this case, or all the versions. We're going to share them all. We could share the names of the authors or not, or disable the notes, but let's leave them enabled because we want comments from the band. Now let's create a new share link for Sarah. Here we'll use Sarah's email address. This way she'll get automatic email notifications anytime something changes with the song. Now let's only share the primary version. Anytime the primary changes, that's the version Sarah will see. Now Sarah and Robin each have their own share links. I'm going to go ahead and copy Robin's and send it to him via text. Sarah's getting automated email. And now let's go to Notes to monitor the comments as they come in. Now let's say we no longer want to share with Robin. Let's go to the Share panel, open Robin's share link, and revoke access. And now, Robin can no longer access the song. Let's reopen the link, and let's reactivate it. And once again, Robin has full access to all versions. With our next video, we're going to show you how to register your song with the US Copyright Office, so stay tuned.